Bitcoin has been the talk of the town for quite some time now. It's something that both investors and the general public had a huge interest in. And if you haven't heard of Bitcoin, you might be living under a rock. Bitcoin has made loads of people rich, but also poor. Have I piqued your interest now that this is about something that can make you rich? Well then, welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. In this video, we are going to dive into the world of Bitcoin. What is it? How did it start? Why should you invest in this roller coaster ride? Get ready because we are going to give you a beginner-friendly masterclass guide to Bitcoin 101. So if you're one of the few people who doesn't know much about Bitcoin, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. At this point, Bitcoin slowly gained popularity. Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or financial institution. It is a peer-to-peer digital currency that is independent and runs on a network. Absolutely no banks or middlemen, just digital magic. So how does it work, you ask? Well, let me break it down for you. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. This blockchain is comprised of a series of blocks that contain transaction data. These blocks are added to the chain in chronological order, creating a transparent and tamper-proof record of all Bitcoin transactions. But what really sets Bitcoin apart is its underlying technology known as blockchain. This technology ensures that transactions are secure, transparent, and virtually impossible to alter. It's like having your secret vault that nobody can break into. Pretty cool, right? With each passing year, Bitcoin's reputation continued to soar. It became synonymous with the cryptocurrency revolution, challenging the traditional financial system and giving power back to the people. Suddenly, everyone wanted a piece of the Bitcoin pie. It was like the Wild West of finance. But instead of pickaxes and gold, people were using computers and digital wallets. As the news of Bitcoin's potential spread like wildfire, more and more people jumped on the bandwagon. Business moguls, tech enthusiasts, and even regular folks realized that Bitcoin had the potential to change the world. It was as if a new era of digital currency had dawned, and Bitcoin was leading the charge. After all of that, the question is, why should I invest in Bitcoin? Here are some juicy reasons why. First off, let's talk about the potential for high returns. Bitcoin has shown a knack for making people rich overnight. Just ask those early investors who bought a few Bitcoins when they were practically worthless and now are living in their private islands. Okay, maybe not private islands, but you get the point. If you're looking for a chance to turn your spare change into a small fortune, Bitcoin might just be the ticket. Another factor is Bitcoin's expanding adoption and acceptability. It's not only a specialized investment for tech-savvy people anymore. Significant businesses and financial institutions are beginning to notice and even join the Bitcoin bandwagon. Its value will undoubtedly soar as more companies start to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. Of course, do your research and consider the risks that come with it. Just like other investments, Bitcoin is an extremely unpredictable currency and its value can change more quickly than a caffeine-dependent person on a sugar high. Make sure you're well packed to enter the world of Bitcoin if you don't want to end up getting poor. So you want to get started now. You will need a Bitcoin wallet before anything else. Imagine it as your safe, where you may keep your valuable digital currency. There are many different sorts of wallets, including hardware and internet wallets. Pick one that meets your demands and offers strong security features. Keep in mind that defending your wallet is similar to defending your online savings account from cunning hackers. Now comes the fun part. You need to find a Bitcoin exchange where you can buy and sell Bitcoin. There are plenty of options out there, each with its pros and cons. Do your research and choose an exchange that aligns with your requirements. Keep in mind factors like fees, ease of use, and security measures. It's like going on a blind date, but instead of finding love, you're finding your gateway to the world of cryptocurrencies. Are you prepared to buy Bitcoin for the first time? Please wait. It's important to become knowledgeable about trading fundamentals before diving headfirst into the crypto pool. Discover the various order kinds, market trends, and risk management techniques. Always keep in mind that information is power, particularly in the highly unstable and unpredictable Bitcoin industry. Once you have the relevant information, it's time to purchase some Bitcoin. Test the waters with a tiny first deposit, then gradually increase it as your confidence grows. It's similar to learning to ride a bike in that you might wobble at first, but with effort and practice, you'll soon be riding along the highway of digital currencies. Let's talk about Bitcoin security. Protecting your Bitcoin wallet should be your top priority. After all, you wouldn't want your hard-earned Bitcoins to disappear into thin air, right? So, here are some key points to keep in mind. Firstly, make sure you choose a reliable and secure Bitcoin wallet. There are numerous options available, ranging from hardware wallets to software wallets. Take your time and do some research to find the one that suits your needs the best. Next, it's essential to keep your private keys safe and secure. Treat them like the keys to your digital fortress. Don't share them with anyone and avoid storing them on devices connected to the internet. Consider using a hardware wallet that keeps your private keys offline for added security. It's important as well to use secure payment methods. When buying Bitcoin, be cautious about choosing trusted platforms and exchanges that have advanced security measures in place. Avoid dealing with shady websites or impromptu strangers who promise fantastic offers. Lastly, keep yourself informed on the most recent security procedures and be on the lookout for prospective risks. Avoid clicking on dubious links or downloading unknown files, and be on the lookout for phishing attempts. Don't let the hackers get you, my friend. Imagine a world in which you can change the way you manage your finances by utilizing the power of digital currency. The world that Bitcoin is creating for us is exactly this one. Bitcoin isn't merely a passing trend, it's the way that money will be used in the future, thanks to its extraordinary potential for big returns and widespread acceptance. There has never been a better opportunity to begin your Bitcoin journey, regardless of whether you are an experienced enthusiast or are only beginning to explore the world of cryptocurrencies. Well then, that's everything. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos.